Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Brain. My name is Sam, and in this video, I will show you how to delete your comments on Instagram. First, open the Instagram application on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Next, go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on your profile page, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From the menu, select your activity. This section allows you to see and manage your interactions on Instagram. Now tap on comments. Here, you will find a list of all the comments you have made on various posts. If you want to sort the comments, you can set them to display from oldest to newest by tapping the sort option. To delete your comments, tap on select in the top right corner. Then, choose the comments you wish to delete by tapping on each one. You can select multiple comments if needed. After selecting the comments, tap on delete at the bottom middle of your screen. A confirmation prompt will appear. Tap delete again to confirm. Your selected comments will now be selected. That is it. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.